welcome. Free camping, 2-night limit. Register at police department for water and electric. ID required. City of Perryton, Texas.
Thank you, Perryton, Texas.
Let's go get registered. How do you get in there?
Turn right onto Southeast 2nd Avenue. Then turn right onto South Main Street.
I don't
At the light,
think we can
turn
go
right
in there.
onto South Main Street. Then turn right onto Southeast 1st Avenue.
Okay, I'll have to regroup. Maybe there's another place. Watch for nails and stuff here. I don't think this is it. This was it. This is not it now. Okay, better nav. I'm pretty sure a tornado came through here or something and totally demolished. Oh yeah, here's another building.
Everything else in town looks fine except this swath here.
Yeah. Okay. So now what?
I guess we can look up the non-emergency number to the police department and call them.
Yeah. Now I did see the electric and the spigots are fake locked to the padlock. So maybe they just got more things to do than worry about people registering for camping in town.
Yeah, but they got to be housed somewhere.
Yeah, look, that's
I'm
a
gonna
lot of damage here.
try to park somewhere.
Okay.
There's the police cars, the PD.
Oh, okay. I think we found the right spot.
Oh, good. They didn't ask which site. Just took my driver's license and license plate number, and she said, yeah, it was this last June. There was the tornado that went through there, and she said they're predicting that the storm's coming tomorrow evening, and it's also here.
Oh, so we gotta go.
So first thing in the morning, we're heading west.
Okay. Dang. Well, at least we found the police department. Yeah, we're just gonna have to keep moving, man.
I see the winds pick up tomorrow, like at around 3. She said the storm's supposed to be starting around tomorrow evening. So
okay, we'll be gone. But we need to get out of this storm
I think we'll just even skip our workouts in the morning.
Just get up and go.
It's because the winds. We'll have to drive in terrible winds if we get going right away.
Yeah. Okay.
So I could use a day off from working out. It's been about 2 weeks.
Yeah. Okay, well, let's go set up a camp. It's a hot one. It's 84 today.
Yeah.
And I need to take a nap.
Free night stay at the police department.
Yeah. I don't want one of those.
What do they call it?
What?
Oh, when you stay in a cell, when free.
Oh yeah, when you do like a jail tour and spend the night inside?
No.
Oh.
They call it when you spend the night in jail.
A criminal?
Turn the camera off.
I know what you're trying to say.
There's some saying.
No, you go left, don't you, to the park?
Yeah, right.
Oh, but you're right. Okay. Yeah, there is some saying.
Help us out here. They call that when you spend the night in jail, and they say it's like a free night stay at the.
Oh yeah, Silver Star Hotel or something like that.
Yeah,
well, that's not it. It's like that.
Something like that.
Gold Star Hotel.
No.
But I'm on the right track there. Anyway, okay, I need some more coffee. I'm gonna make an iced coffee too.
I'm gonna walk across to the market and get a cold beer.
They might be closed. It's Sunday. Everything down here's closed on Sunday, it seems.
Looks open.
The Sonic was open. I will mention that. They have Todd's, man.
It's been a minute.
It's been a minute. All right, let's get situated. Okay, just backed into the spot. You're gonna get us hooked up. This is not the first free city camping the first time in this one. But not the first free city camping that we've come across on our travels. Yeah, there's been a few. It's kind of nice. Bring people to the town. I mean, we wouldn't be staying here otherwise, so. Whew, okay, we gotta get that new AC going.
Let's make sure the electrical works.
Yeah, let's do that. Good morning, good morning. I got a sleepyhead here. Sleepyhead over here. and a sleepyhead here. We decided to get up early and get the heck out of Texas. Out of the danger zone, the baseball-sized hail danger zone. We did, we've been keeping up with the weather since we've been here, and yeah, we've got some extreme weather headed our way this afternoon, so we wanted to get up and get out of any possibility of anything happening. So that's what we're doing.
We're in north central Texas, and this is kind of here in Oklahoma is where it's going to start this afternoon, this evening. So it's kind of makes it feel more real when, like, when we pulled in this town yesterday, this free city park campground we're staying in. You had to go check in at the police department. So we went to the police department, and the whole area is damaged from a massive tornado last year. So it's like, okay,
yeah.
You look at what it's done to this brick building, it was destroyed. It's like, I wouldn't want to be in a camper.
No.
So it's just part of the, you know, if you're in a camper and you're traveling through these areas, you got to pay attention to the weather, because you would not want to get in that.
You don't want to get caught with your proverbial pants down.
That made me check out that mirror, some underwear.
It's so dry here, you guys. I'm not one. Of course, I complain about humidity too, don't I? Humidity and heat, I do not like.
She doesn't like it hot or cold or humid or dry.
I sound like Goldilocks. But I do have we have a little humidifier. I actually have two of them, but I had one of them going last night. I don't think it did any good because we also had windows wide open to keep cool. So it was pretty quiet here in town. So if you do decide to stay here, it was a great park. I actually just took a nap yesterday and worked on a video, so nothing noteworthy, but tons of people playing volleyball. It was just a really quiet night till the street sweeper started this morning at like 5:30.
They knew you wanted up early.
Yeah. They were just helping out. So there's a McDonald's just a couple blocks over. We didn't even make coffee this morning. We're just going to go grab a couple big coffees and
head to New Mexico.
Head to New Mexico, yeah. Today we'll be into New Mexico. There will be some wind, but
That's why we're leaving early, though. It'll be super windy this afternoon, and the storm, I think, is supposed to hit this evening. So let's make tracks with it before the wind comes.
Yeah, we're just trying to get gone. All right, let's get some coffee and get on the road. We're never on the road this early. I hope it's light enough. We don't like wildlife drives.
By the time we get the coffee and everything.
Yeah, and by the time because we're still plugged in here and everything. Okay, let's do it. Sketchy. So looking ahead to Clayton, New Mexico, which is where we're headed. Looks like the winds start about an hour after we get there, up to 55 miles an hour. We're just hopefully gonna find a place to hunker down and lower our jacks and
get on the leeward side of a big building and hang out.
Yeah, and that's going to be, I think, pretty much all day, 9 to 9. So hopefully it's a non-event, but we don't want to risk it, and we don't want to drive in that either. You drove in that the other day through Oklahoma, and that was only 25 miles an hour, so that's stressful.
Yeah, well, it's 25, but there were those occasional big gusts that want to knock you off your road.
Made it into New Mexico. The winds are starting to pick up a little bit. Is that what those are? Oh yeah. You know, I've been kind of looking for them. Where are they? Right in here. But those are the first antelope we've seen. I expected to see more, actually. We're about 10 miles from, what is it, Carlton? Clayton. Clayton, New Mexico. That's, I think, where we're gonna land. Regroup there. Take a look at the weather and see what's what. Okay, we decided we're going to check out a state park that's 13 miles out of town. See if we can't find a spot out there, lower the jacks, and just settle in. I guess I didn't read about it, but Dave did, and you can see dinosaur tracks out here. I think it's this Clayton Lake State Park. Not too shabby of a spot out here all by ourselves.
Yeah, we're at the bottom of the hill, so kind of in a hole, so we're fairly protected from the wind. It's much windier up there, so whoa.
Yeah. We got some windbreak.
Nice view out the back door tonight.
So nice. Pretty nice view. And we are so stable inside.
And you're filming with the air conditioner running.
I am filming with the AC running.
That's new.
That is unheard of. But oh, well, maybe, you know what we need to do? We need to figure out our energy consumption with the AC. So next video, maybe we'll do that. We'll be unplugged, we'll run the AC, see how long with our 300 amp hours of Battleborn lithium.
Yeah, instead of like calculating numbers, we're plugged in now. We'll have the battery at 100%. We'll unplug. We'll set the thermostat for 72. And it'll cycle off and on for like an hour or two and see what percentage of our battery it uses.
Yeah. We'll have to run some tests. I think that'll be interesting to find out. Yeah, so stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for dinosaur tracks. We're gonna hike down there. Maybe tomorrow when the wind dies down. We might spend a couple days here just to kind of chill out.
Well, there's a visitor center here, and I was inside there, and 4 of New Mexico's state record walleyes have been caught in this lake. And yeah, it's supposed to be really good fishing, but the wind would have to die down a lot.
Oh yeah, to get the canoe out.
Well, I could fish in the bank, but
true.
We'll see. We'll see what we feel like tomorrow.
We'll see what's up ahead. We'll see you down there. Carry on.
Carry on. Thanks for watching.
And a very special thank you to our patrons for supporting our channel. Join us over on Patreon for extra videos and more content. Check out our website or Amazon for our pistol book. Carry on.
Carry on.